Have you ever wondered what would happen if a device, which we've known and loved for years, suddenly took a massive leap forward? What if it stopped just being a basic tool and became something far more powerful, something we didn't even know we needed? Well, that's exactly what Apple has done with the latest iPad 11th generation. It's hard to overstate just how much this tablet changes everything we thought we knew about iPads. Sure, Apple has been gradually improving the iPad lineup over the years, but with the 11th gen, they've truly redefined what a tablet can be. If you've been sitting on the fence about upgrading your old iPad or just wondering what the next step in tablet evolution looks like, the 11th gen is here to offer that answer. But what makes it so revolutionary? Let's dive in and see how Apple has pulled off this game-changing update. For years, the entry-level iPad has felt like an afterthought, right? It seemed like Apple didn't put as much focus on it as its more expensive siblings, like the iPad Air or iPad Pro. The design was outdated, and while it worked well enough, it lacked the pizzazz that you'd find in the premium models. But all of that changed with the new iPad 11th Gen. Apple gave it a complete redesign, finally bringing it up to par with the rest of their tablet family. Gone are the chunky bezels, replaced with an edge-to-edge liquid retina display that brings an expansive, modern screen into the same slim, compact form factor. Imagine watching your favorite shows or getting work done with more screen space, all without sacrificing portability. It's sleek, it's efficient, and it's definitely a design shift we've been waiting for. But that's not all. Have you ever been frustrated with using a lightning cable when all your other devices are charging via USB-C? It's been a constant headache for years, but now Apple has standardized USB-C across the entire iPad lineup. This isn't just about convenience. USB-C opens the door for faster data transfers, better accessory compatibility, and a smoother overall experience. No more fiddling around with multiple cables or adapters. It's the kind of simple upgrade that makes a huge difference in your daily interactions with the device. Let's talk about performance, because this is where the 11th gen really flexes its muscles. Powered by the A16 Bionic chip, the same powerhouse found in the iPhone 14 Pro series, this iPad is built to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're multitasking between apps, diving into a heavy game, or editing a video, the 11th gen delivers smooth performance without any hiccups. It's more than just speed, though. With the upcoming iPadOS 18, Apple is bringing enhanced AI features, such as more efficient Siri and better multitasking tools like Split View and Stage Manager. This means that the 11th gen isn't just fast, it's also smarter, anticipating your needs and making the entire experience feel more intuitive. As someone who spends hours drawing or taking notes on my iPad, I can tell you that the 11th gen support for the Apple Pencil is a game changer. The improved palm rejection and lower latency make drawing feel more fluid, more natural. Whether you're an artist creating your next masterpiece, a student taking lecture notes, or just someone who loves jotting down ideas, the experience is seamless. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder how you ever used the older models. But Apple didn't forget the productivity crowd either. For those who want to get work done on the go, the 11th gen is fully compatible with the Magic Keyboard. Imagine using this lightweight tablet as your primary work device, replacing your laptop without breaking the bank. It's the perfect balance between portability and power, giving you the tools to stay productive wherever you are. One area that's often overlooked on tablets is the camera, but the 11th gen surprises here too. While it's never going to replace a professional camera, Apple's improvements are notable. The front-facing camera is now positioned on the landscape edge, making FaceTime calls more natural and professional-looking. You won't be awkwardly looking off to the side anymore. And with the new center stage feature, it keeps you perfectly framed in the shot, so you're always in focus during video calls. Whether you're in a virtual meeting or just catching up with friends, it's a small tweak that makes a big difference. Of course, no tech update would be complete without talking about battery life. And Apple claims that the 11th gen can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. That's perfect for long work days, streaming content, or just using it for everyday tasks without worrying about running out of juice halfway through the day. And if you've ever been frustrated with storage limits, you'll be pleased to know that the iPad 11th gen has finally ditched the 64 gigabytes base model. It now starts at 128 gigabytes with options for 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and even 1 terabyte if you need more space. It's a smart move, giving users much-needed breathing room for apps, photos, and files. So who is this iPad for? Honestly, it's for almost everyone. Students who need a reliable, powerful study companion. Professionals looking for a lightweight but capable productivity device. Casual users who want an easy-to-use tablet that can handle everything from entertainment to light work. The 11th Gen is versatile, affordable, and future-proof, making it the perfect option for anyone who doesn't want to splurge on the iPad Pro but still wants top-notch performance. Now, is it worth upgrading? Absolutely. If you're using an older iPad, this is one of the biggest refreshes we've seen in years. With the redesigned body, improved performance, and all the new features, it's a no-brainer. Even if you're on a relatively recent model, the better display, faster multitasking, and expanded storage could make it worth considering. The iPad 11th Gen takes everything you love about iPads and elevates it to the next level. It's a tablet that truly deserves a place in today's tech landscape. So what do you think? Is this the iPad upgrade we've all been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on the latest tech news and reviews. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.